How to pass an operator to a Python function. I'd like to pass a math operator, along with the numeric values to compare, to a function. Here is my broken code. And call it with, which should return true.
Use the operator module. It contains all the standard operators that you can use in Python. Then use the operator as a functions. If you really want to use strings as operators, then create a dictionary mapping from string to operator function as Alex suggested.
Have a look at the operator module.
Use the operator module instead. Make a mapping of strings and operator functions. Also, you don't need if/else condition. FYI, eval is evil. Why is using eval a bad practice?